How do you see that pattern so fast? Used to it, I guess. Center here, I am Moon right now. So Moon right now is up here, Starlight. And it goes down, 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 and then back to the back up. Then you just follow it. 2, 3, 4, and... So all you need to do is just like check your Stigma whenever he jumps to the center. Simple as that. Okay, Moon is safe. Good finger technique. That's how that's how it is. Just press keys fast. Wait, what happened, Revo? Mojo sits mainly item level as a free to play, but mine is in like a KR, right? It's like I have like multiple like 1500 plus, as in like, oh my god, that hits me. As in like, you know, my highest one right now is like 1580, and oh rip the awakening. My highest one is like 1580. I have like 1550, 1540, 1493. But basically it's that. Oh shit, I just tanked it with my shield. Spot, be careful here. Sun is safe, sun is safe. And then the other one. There we go. Oh, I should have tanked it actually. I wanna see like if I die or not. Should have checked it if I die or not. Finger technique and grieving. Yep. Rip 20k yet again. 20k? What happened? Someone is dead already, but that's fine. As a melee, that's my life running behind bosses. Imagine having to run behind bosses. You don't, not even close. Wait, what happened? How dare you at Argos with only one character? Efficiency. Ow. I only have one character in like East EU and everything. You can play everything efficiently if you know what you're doing already, right? So yeah, in safe, in safe. If the boss glows Moon, then in is safe. If the boss glows like a... If the boss glows like a... What's the name? Sun, then out is safe. If you're like a... If your Stigma is okay with it, then you can just eat it. Fellow back attack and Joyer. I didn't even die on Gunslinger when he goofed it once. I see. Okay, spot. Okay, number one. Something is wrong there. Yeah. Okay, it's not your fault, Lucifer. It's people didn't take their spot basically. In safe. There. Ow. Sun is safe, sun is safe. Maybe one more here, maybe one more. Okay. God damn it, stop running around. Do you just raid mass on every upgrade? Nope. Oh my god, it was like I forgot that this is like the thing. Do we do Russian strat for this? The non-attacking one. And Moon Party is dead now. Okay, I'll have to explain on that one, I guess. I'll have to explain on that one. I'll have to explain mechanic on that one. He's grudge now. He's grudge now. What happened? Looks like Alaric. That's ignore mechanic. That's ignore mechanic. Ow. So basically on that part, right? Basically on that mechanic, after the spots, he will basically have a dial under him, basically signifying the timer, right? So that's the pizza right there. Basically what you do is that like Sun Party needs to attack, Moon Party needs to attack, but you need to balance it out. If you push it too far on one side, it will basically like if you push it to like one side, then it basically will what's the name? Will wipe the other party. So what you do is basically the easiest way is to not attack the boss, which probably is like what we should do for people that are learning. Just don't attack. Yeah, you can just don't attack it. But then not attacking it, it's like too much time. It's too much time. So, but we can do the not attack one. In KR, we just attack it. We just shit on it basically. Oh, here comes the awakening. Solface awakening. Oh, he's fine. He's gonna get hit. He's gonna hit. Ooh. Solface awakening. Okay, spot again here, I would assume. No, this is pizza actually. Oh, you gotta remember the pizza. The other side. And it's gonna blow up. Okay, let's start. Let's start first. It's like we're not even on the second like a spot.
Okay.
So we can do like the not attacking man. Can everyone's over here? They just want to kill the other team. Yeah, you're just fighting over it. Now in care, people don't die, right? So you can manage to like basically kill the other team and use the 4 reses. So yeah, redo spots first. Okay, there we go. Okay, Lucy's stop right here. Okay. Until boss is down. There we go. Yeah, we'll just do the holding for now. It's Doom, yeah. Okay.
Everything.
What about
right?
energy flow?
Everything
Yeah, just cut, basically. Oh, one sec. Let me swap potion real quick. No idea. What about energy overflow? Alright. What was it? What was the question right there? Is always DPS that bad right now? No. Can it be good in the right hands? It can be good in the right hands. It still does pretty good. Even as an overflow, yeah. It still does like a pretty good damage. Oh, did that hit? I don't know if like that hit or not actually. Maybe did not hit. Unlucky. Classic Soulfist right there. Soulfist line. No support? Nope, we don't run support. People don't play support. Besides, you don't really need it anyway. Dude, of course you target me. Like, oh, the only person like on my own right here and targets me. Actually annoying. Watch out here, Sun is safe, Sun is safe. It can be 3 times, so be careful with that as well. It can be 3 times. Solvis POV, well, time to reroll. Well, that's Solvis right there. You can, if you play Overflow, then you're not really relying on like you're not really relying on like the Awakening. So you can play Overflow instead. But even then, Awakening doesn't really like account to like 80% of your damage as well. Missing Awakening sucks. But I mean like that sucks for everyone. Bad class? It's not a bad class, man. It's not a bad class. Ow. Yeah, down, down, down. Okay, it's Moon, so in is safe, in is safe, in is safe, in is safe. If it's Moon, in it's safe. 503, 503. That's the same. Does the game get my more involved and comes out? Just another face roll raid. You can try it, Logan. You can try it later. We'll see if you can face roll that one. Thing is, you get like a spot. You get like a pretty nerf version of like a the. Okay, here's the thing, right? You know, in KR, right? Oh, stop, cut. I forgot about it. In KR, Argos has been nerfed a few times already, so you get like the nerf version of this. Cut. So we need to stop right here. He knows. Did I test the pizza? I have not, Tyra. Wait, what happened here? Soldier. Why do they keep nerfing? Because in KR, right? Well, okay. In KR, Argos is basically starter content. If you just started the game, you can basically do Argos in the same week. And yeah, that's different right there. Go. What was I trying to say? Yeah, basically it's a very starter raid. Now obviously, like you guys have issue with like running like Guardian in the Korea. We start with Argos basically. That's basically like our like weekly content. Our weekly content is Argos. It's not exactly like a difficult content to begin with. So they make it so that it's easier. But the thing is like you guys get that version as well. Okay, pizza right here. I'm Moon, so 1, 2, 3, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Okay, now we lost someone because of that. That's fine. Anytime Argos teleport center, just check your stigma. Where the hell is she? Okay. Memory. It's not memory. It's just ice, man. Just ice. Ow. Up. Someone ate the wrong pizza slice. Yeah, the pizza slice is poison, man. Poison slice. Okay, he keeps running around again. But then with my fourth engraving, I need to go in. I can't go in. Too slow. But it's expensive to run. Adrenaline. You can run adrenaline. I don't think you need to though. Moon is safe. Maybe one more. Nope. Spot. Oh, never mind. Okay, it wasn't spot again. I thought we were already on spot, but I guess not. I guess not. I don't have eyes. I'm NA. Could have just shielded that one. How does attack power work in Lost Ark? 60% attack power cast doll equal to 60% more damage. At base, yeah, but it's additive gain. If it's attack power, it's additive gain. I'm Sun, so I need to get out. If you're Sun, you can stay in. If you're Moon, you cannot like stay in too far. You need to like refresh outside. Or I don't know, play a range class. Oh, I think it's a spot right here. Yep, spot now.
You caught, right?
Yeah, cut. There. 40% health left. So yeah. Got rubber banded, did I? I see. Argos hard mode coming soon. Vault is actually difficult at item level. At item level, it's not a face roll, Logan. It's not a face roll. It's not. But it's not exactly that difficult as well. Here is the way you see it right here. Okay, I'm Moon right here. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The way it is basically right. You know, whenever like you start doing Vaulton, it's gonna be like pretty difficult, especially when you're learning. You'll basically fly left and right, and then later on, like once you do like oh, watch out here, Sun is safe. I went from like the other side to the other side. Feels good, man. Wrong side to the wrong side. Didn't die though. Well, it's just me and Dream right now. Does attack power allow you to hit bosses when you're below eye level? What? There is no attack power gate. You're looking at like ancient news right here. Ancient news. Outdated system. It's additive gain, yeah. Your attack power is additive gain. Later on, Logan, when you're doing like okay, Sunny say. When you're doing like a Vaulton, reclearing it is easier, but frogging it is not gonna be a face roll. Unlike Argos. Argos is practically trash mob in Korea, so yeah. Ow. Wanted to shield that, but I can't. That's annoying actually. Pam. Okay, Sun is safe, In is safe. Damage numbers in skill description. What about it? Oh, that doesn't matter, no. Because like damage is like a base number for damage in the skill description. Then like it's multiplied by like the attack power and everything. There is the math behind it, but you get the point. Oh, we need to get out actually. He's following me though. God damn it.
Ay, Amazon.
Okay, Sun is safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Get out again, out. Pop. Okay, where is it? It's going for me. Okay, the AoE is gone now. Shit. Saw that coming right there. Sun will always end up in 7 and Moon. The end point is always the same, but the pattern can be different. Either way, just use your eyes, man. You know, whenever you teleport center, check your stigma so you can like basically prepare, and then like wherever it is, just follow it. Just switch to barrage build. You're like poisoning everyone with barrage build. I'm considering it as well, Maui, because like firepower is expensive. But I don't know. Let me check mass increase combination. I can run mass increase instead. This two-man bus right here. Center? No, it's just this. Sun is safe. Could be pizza again. Yep, pizza again. Pizza. Okay, Sun is safe. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now it's on. Now we can stay in. It's free. Out. Solve is dead. How am I gonna see DPS? No, you see artilleries now. Time to reroll artilleries, boys. It's level 3 barrage spec swift. Spec swift or spec crit is okay. Ideally spec crit, but if you wanna be a little bit faster, you can try the spec swift instead. People run that as well and care, but you don't have what? Okay, I have one still, so we have 5 minutes, so can stay in, doesn't matter. Sun stigma anyway. Ow.
Oh,
Oh, you get scratched to death.
I got scratched.
Should I try or should I restart?
Just restart for people to learn.
Okay, let's restart then. Let's just restart. It's okay. People can learn this one. But I mean, like, you guys see me enough right there. Sun is safe. 1, 2, 4, and 5. So confusing. How do you win starting point so easily? It's so confusing. So whenever he teleports to the center, check your stigma, and then it's a let's say it's a sun, right? Look whichever is sun the first time. That's how you determine it. Simple as that. So you're ready for it. They had glow sun and moon as well? No. It's like when he's down. When he's down, he's gonna glow sun or moon. If it's sun, out is safe. If it's moon, in is safe. Time to go wheelchair. How do you find Soling Velganos? Oh, Soling Velganos? Did Maui solo Velganos yet is the question. I kinda wanna try it, but it's okay. People can have the practice, you know. If I just kill it, then people didn't have the practice. This time, like, we can have people practice first. It's gonna take a while anyway, cause like I'm a 3-1. Is the correct pattern the same every time? No, the pattern is not always the same. The end pattern is always the same. The actual pattern to do it is not always the same. Okay, Sun is safe. Whenever he roars, he's gonna do the big pizza, and that killed 2 people. Basically, whenever he roars. I'll try to ping red every time that happens. So like you guys can see it basically. So I don't know what to look for with the moving pizza pattern. I'll explain it a little bit when he does it then later. Sun is safe. What the hell? I'm too far out, I guess. Was saying I'm switching to solar since I only have 15% crit rate. Yeah, you should like run solar instead at that point. But I'm like, your build is fine because you have like a high innate to begin with. Watch out here. Watch out. There. Yep. Whenever he's down, check like his glow. If I ping red, that means danger. That's how it is right there. Getting better pizza just watching. If only I learned this much at school. need a different teacher maybe. Starting point is still an issue for me. Starting point. Morning Andy, morning. Good morning. The boss in this game only apply to the party or you're only to the party? Only to the party except specific one. There are specific ones that are to the whole raid, like grenade, like a dark grenade or stuff like that. KR strat, best strat, man. Oh yeah, we have to stop actually. Forgot about that. Oops. We have to stop. Young Stars, take the follow, man. Welcome, dude. Welcome. Did I miss like Slum, Silmani, Amatruji as well? Take over the follow. Welcome, by the way. There. Oh, I'm Sun. Didn't take damage. Oh, that's Moon. We dodge. Why stop here? So in this particular mechanic, right, after the spots mechanic, basically, it's gonna like have this dial that like ticks down. It's basically the timer right there. If any of you hits the boss, right, it's basically gonna stack like a certain pattern, a certain like a polarity. If you push it too far, then it becomes like a sun polarity. Then he will one-shot everyone in the moon. And if it's moon too far, then it's a sun party right there. The easiest way to do it is what's the name? to not attack the boss. But not attacking the boss wasted time, right? In Korea, we just attack the boss, and we just try to balance it. If we don't balance it, we just use the rest. But obviously, in NAEU, right now, people uses the life, so you can't really use that. So that's why in this case, we just stop basically. Pizza, I'm Moon, so that's a starting point. So it moves down, 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 and then up. 3, 4, and 5. There you have it. Ah, people are dead. Dead people. Okay, Moon is safe. The ping didn't work actually. My bad. Ping was late. Moon is safe. Make it look so easy. I mean, like, I've done this, like, dude, I finished, like, Argos, like, phase 3 24 times a week since last year. What were you expecting? Didn't get how you know that it starts at 5? It doesn't start at 5, people. It doesn't. Earlier, it starts at, like, 1. When he does it again, I'll check it. Argos pretty easy, I think. Not that difficult if you play artilleries or shit class, Maui. You just tank it. Just tank everything. How do you see that pattern so fast? Used to it, I guess. Center here, I am Moon right now. So Moon right now is up here, start right. And it goes down, 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 and then back up. Then you just follow it. 2, 3, 4, and... So all you need to do is just like check your stigma whenever he jumps to the center. Simple as that. Okay, Moon is safe. So yeah. That's it, man. That's it. Then it's easy right there. Learn how to do mechanic. I didn't again. What? Again? Sure. Whenever he does pizza, I'll like explain again then. Moon always in 5 and 11? Yes, the end point is always the same, but the pattern can be different. So you don't want to just sit in like the safe spot, because like that's gonna eat your potion or something like that. Unless you play a shield class or a giga charge class like blaster, like artillerist, or like a warlord. Then yeah, just tank it, man. Who cares, right? But that's basically how it is. He jump center probably, center again, probably pizza. So this is Moon. Never mind, this is a spot. So now we're going spot first. There is 2 different starting points. 2 different starting points, yes. Oh, yeah, stop. Pizza right here, Moon again. Where is it starting? Same thing right here, but the pattern is different now. It's right, left. So left, and then left again. That's it.
Oh, I forgot.
It's okay. Just check your stigma, read chat, remember pattern, explain it at the moment. What? What did I do? Make it easy? Yeah, well, I mean, like, it's something that you get, like, after you experience, you know. You don't just, like, you know, see the pattern and then suddenly you're a god. So, yeah. You don't. You learn it over time. I've just been doing this for, like, a long time. That's why. So, next time you complain about, like, the pizza is, like, impossible right there, I don't know. Think of me as a god, I guess. Apparently, I'm a god. Because, like, someone said, like, I'm sure there are gods that can do this. I'm a god, boys, apparently. Okay, sun is safe. Right, left. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. I don't know, like, what are you doing, but yeah. Nice, he's down again. Nice, is sun safe here? Unless you're sun, then you're safe. Oh, rip. Check the glow. Whenever he's down, he glows either sun or moon. If he glows like sun, that means you're out. If he glows moon, that means in is safe. Still have 4 potion, I guess. We'll play it safe right now. Just in case I get hit by pizza. When you do it +3+ time sits just automatic. What is even hard about this mechanic? It's not. What is hard is that people are learning, you know. That's what it is. Okay, sun is safe. 1, 2, 3, left, right. Okay. 2, 3. Please no reset. I want to sleep. Okay. Voodoo is doesn't have time, so we can push it for now. Then we'll push it. Me and Dream will try to push it. What's your potion situation, Dream? I have 4 left still.
Not 2.
Okay. Oh, I'm Sun anyway. Why did I dodge that? I'm Sun. I can just tank it. I'm Sun actually. We can go in. Same Lucifer weapon. What's hard is okay, well that one is like different problem right there. Sun is safe again. Okay. God damn it. Okay, so I have to move out right now. Move out, move out. Pizza again. Sun is safe, Sun is safe. So that starts on the right then. Left, 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 right.
Oh, I
Two.
didn't see it.
Right here, right here. Is it. Oh, you can time stop it, I guess that's fine. Yeah,
Shit.
it's fine.
He's always on me though.
Earlier he was on me the whole time, so aye. Okay. You ever get burned out of this character doing daily Una capturing process and everything every day? Not really for me. But the thing is like I don't really do it. Because like I have like so many character, I'm raid logging. And from that raid, I basically earn enough that I don't even need to do daily. If you check my character in like a Korea dude, they're all full rest bonus. Because I don't do dailies on them. I just earn so much from like doing raids. Simple now. Took me 3 tries phase 1, 5 try phase 2. It's not that difficult, but yeah. For people that are new, they are still on the learning like a pattern, right? So it's normal for them to take like a longer to actually do it. Sun is safe. The cheese tactic, yeah, the cheese tactic is for people that like have like a underdeveloped. It's like it's not that hard to do this, so you don't have to like oh we need to support phase 1 because we can't do mechanic.
What?
Too late I guess.
I mean, I already invaded.
Yeah, I know, I saw you as well, but usually like the hitbox is a bit iffy anyway. Sun is safe. Okay, Sun is safe, so we're in again then. Yeah, now the problem is like how long will it take for me to do this, yeah? Because I don't have like proper engraving yet. Not yet, not yet. There is 5 minutes left. Can't wait next week. Not again. Why again?
To really start.
I don't know. I mean, like, Voodoo said like he doesn't have a lot of time, so should I try or what? I mean, I still have 4 potions, so let me use this awakening first. Sun is safe, Sun is safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, tank. Not enough to solo. Yeah. Phase 2, you need to tell the other team your pattern so you get better with voice chat. Chat is possible. Not really. Just tell them like that, like, you know, it's in safe, out safe, marble pattern, all of those patterns basically. Just tell them what to do. I'm Sun, so I don't have to dodge that one. Okay. Sun is safe again. Yeah, this might take a while here. 2 minutes left. Can't see the health left as well, can I? Okay, Sun is safe right here. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Not enough time? Yeah, maybe. Very hard time minutes. I want you to video and clear it. I mean, yeah, it's not that difficult. Oh, I thought he stopped moving. I thought like I was done, but I guess I wasn't done. Seems a lot of easier on range class. Not necessarily. You just have like option for that. If you're a melee class with like the pattern like where you can't go close, then yeah, it will be like annoying. But That's basically like the thing about like a range class, melee class, right? It's the option. Aish, you kidding me, dude? It's almost dead though. Maybe. It's 2 minutes left, so yeah. Just didn't have the engraving to actually like push this first. If I make like a 3-3-3-1 first, then yeah, that one's gonna be like much easier. Okay, Sun is safe, Sun is safe. It's a 3-3 pattern, okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. What the hell? Oh my god, there is an orb that I didn't see over there. Okay, Sun is safe. Maybe one more. Yep. Up. Yeah, it takes a bit too long here. It's 47 seconds left. 47 seconds. Pro plays in chat. Dude, why is it not dead yet? I wanna unlock his health percentage, but not dead means not dead anyway. Ow. "22 seconds. "13 seconds. Okay. 6 seconds, man. 6 seconds. Nah, we're not getting it, I guess. Yeah. Didn't have the damage for it. This my main? No, my main is counter. So yeah. We don't have like don't have the damage for it. Not with this engraving. No. Does it show the percentage? It doesn't show you the percentage. Yeah, so you don't know. Abyss rate does not really like show it to you. Doesn't tell HP. It does not. No. It does not. It does not. Well, you guys see me like do that. Surely no one dies right now, right? Surely. Wish it did. If it does, then it's good. Yeah, but yeah. Does it remain on NA? On NAEs? Yes. I only have one character. I'm a one character ND, so yeah. It's only in Korea where I'm like a 24 alt ND right there. Not dead means not dead. Yeah, it doesn't matter what it is. It means like not dead. I think it doesn't pay 3. No, it doesn't. It doesn't anywhere. In Abyss rate, it doesn't show you anywhere. For how this is west. Wait, are you 1370 already, Tyra? Because I am not in west. Yeah, it's just there is not enough like left. Okay, Sun is safe, Sun is safe. Okay. Watch the roar, man. Watch the roar, watch the roar every time. Watch the boss pattern as well. Necromancy, nah, it's just left over from like my stone. My stone has like necromancy over there. So yeah, Grudge 5, Grudge 6, necromancy 5. Next week. Just don't go Grudge. Well, not going Grudge means like you will not do like like even with this, it's not even enough damage to kill it. Imagine running heavy armor. I'm Sun actually. Bring up his character page. Yeah, I mean like it's just character page, and it just shows it over there, right? And I can see the rest of it by like the other anyway. Okay, Sun, Moon, it's Moon, so everyone in, everyone in, everyone in. Necromancer and yeah, Necromancer, man. Hey man, I wanna be a Necromancer, okay? Spots now, 80% health. Still have 8 man. Yeah. Oh right, I forgot that we shouldn't attack. Right, forgot about that. Sorry, it's alright. That's why we have races. You don't have races in like a Legion raid, so do be careful with that. Can't really rely on races. Aye, it spawns on me. Are you kidding me, dude? But that's bullshit. Spawns on me. Fighting after this because I thought I had the delayed hits, but I'm getting 130 now and love it. Actually, pretty fun time if your attacks right. It's a prediction, man. It's all about prediction.
we can go now.
Go, yeah. Where the hell is he? It's down south. Ow. Hate the back kick though. The shittiest mechanic Argos has is the back kick. That's the shittiest one. Watch out here, Moon is safe, Moon is safe. Nice, no one got hit by that. Nice. One more. Okay, good. No one got hit by it, good. I'm just while the mechanic is going, I'm checking like the health bar of everyone. Back kick is so annoying for back attackers. Yeah, if you play melee, that's back attack. Moon is safe for me. If you play melee, that's like back attack. It is really annoying, yeah, because it just like cuts over all of your back attack skill. Okay, well. Whenever it teleports center, man, just be careful with that. For Blaze Storm you can hit from the side anyway, Repo, you know, it's not an issue, right? Just hit it from the side. Because it's Blaze Storm. Opens if you lie that full rate, well, you're gonna die anyway. If you're that bad, then you're gonna die anyway. How about you start being useful and start doing more damage? Did 4 right, then kept going, so don't look at that. It's alright, That's fine. Can Moon people? Okay, Moon is safe. Left, right. Okay. 1, 2, 4, and 5. True, but still. There's limited server memory because I see 4 clockwise. Yeah. There is only like a few patterns. Are you kidding me, dude? He just went through like a mid twice. Yeah. The pattern is only like left. Like 4-1 or 3 or like 3-3 or something like that, right? So the pattern is like not really like that different. The starting point is different though, and the direction it moves can be different as well. I'm just getting like a combo to death right here. So either way, you still have to pay attention. Will be torture. It's alright. We'll be fine.
Dodge my name, yo, oh my god.
I mean, you pick ignition. Okay. Blue is the brightness, camera. Okay, Moon is safe. Okay, from top, down, up. 2, 3. Stabilize status as well, yeah. Depends on what's cheap. Center. Okay, spot. 40%. So we're working there. It's one of the two patterns, but starting point is different. Starting point is different, and the direction could be different. Yes, but the pattern is always like the same. Oh, right. I forgot. I hit the boss. Second. Forgot, man. I'm used to KR. We just like hit the boss. Dream is ignition, yeah. Well, Dream made ignition setup, so yeah. For 12k, and yeah, it's not that difficult. But yeah. Oh yeah, you were looking at like a Dream's like a thing, right? The stone is a Grudge all out 6-5. So that's a really good stone as well. Pretty decent one. Okay, Moon is safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this. Yeah, you can do that as well, Lucifer. Yeah, just tank it with your like a barrage mode. You can do that as well. Anything you have shield, you can make use of it, or you to ignore it. Okay, say spot. Say what's over there. God damn it. You just long range this then. Curse Doll better than Hemaster Sciences for engraving? Nah, it's about the same to be honest. For like a Curse Doll and Igniter for like Sork, it's about the same. Curse Doll is just cheaper because people jerk off to like Hitmaster. So it's cheaper to like go Curse Doll instead because people are well, they push it out on it. So Curse Doll is cheap. Just take Curse Doll. Sun is safe. Okay, left, right. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3-1 for West seems overkill. 3-3-1 is good for like for Argos phase 3. Dream is ready. When you make this, basically the way like I'm trying to do it and the way me and Dream is trying to do it is we're gonna ready for Volton, so we don't need to change any accessories anymore until Volton comes out. So yeah, what's the point of like making like a build and then like after that you're gonna change it anyway in like about a month because like you don't have enough for Volton. So yeah, the principle is different basically. I'm looking for like a build that is ready for Volton, so I don't need to rebuy anything anymore. Preordain set or Hustle Berserker? Preordain. Oops. Dramatic Curse Doll, unless you have no support for harder content. I mean, you don't even notice Grudge if you don't have issue with like dodging mechanic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's fine. Lucifer still there. 3 for Volton. 3x3 and 1 is enough to be honest. For normal that is. 4x3 is for like a Volton Heart. If you're doing Volton Heart day 1, then yeah, sure. Get like 4x3 right there. But that's 1445 item level. In a month I get the feeling they will delay more. Yeah, well, we don't know when they're gonna come out. But the point is, right, before Volton comes out, before Southbound comes out, you're not gonna get like any new accessory anyway. So you might as well like make a setup that is already all ready for it. Oh, he's down. Watch out for this. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Okay, nice. Okay, moon orb. We're not taking that one, I guess. Pizza again, probably. Sun is safe. Sun is safe. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, what's your potion?
I have 1.
Okay, I still have 2. 3x3 and 1 is enough for Volton, Grass Royal, Hitmaster 3, Adrenaline 1. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I would say that's fine. So I would take it. It's Volton. It's with an A. Voltan, as NPCs in like any EU Lost Ark would say it. Voltan. Nah, it's okay, Superman. Keep everything. My sign changes. Your sign changes whenever like you have like the thing. You have like the spot pattern. The spot pattern is where your sign changes. Need more than 333? Oh yeah, support is different, yeah. Support, as long as you have your 3-core engraving, you're solid already. So awakening, class engraving, and then your oops, and then your expert basically. Then after that it's done. Okay, left, right. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Huh? Okay, well I don't know how that killed me, but yeah, I guess like a ping might make me like late for it. Ping, it could be ping, yeah. At least that's what I think of. But yeah. Certified Sork, Dial engraving would be reflux, grudge. Well, it depends. Casting or what? If it's casting, then grudge, all out attack, reflux, curse doll, or hitmaster is fine. So yeah. 9, thank you for the moment. Welcome, dude. Welcome. If I say turn on PC, turn on stream, stay the whole time. Stay the whole time. Well, as long as I enjoy your time here, Shadow is what matters. Ninja Killer, take the follow me. Welcome, dude. Start missing the pattern. It wasn't really missing the pattern. I was there on the screen already, but yeah. But I guess it doesn't count yet for that one. 2, 3, 4. We cleared this. It's possible. Dream is the one that has like a proper build, unlike mine. So probably can do it. I guess we'll see. We'll have to see. Crit damage tripod. What about that emote, Andy? I'll have to check first. Could have gone. That doesn't matter, man. If I'm there, if I'm not there, basically I'm useless. Imagine doing like 20% less damage right there. But yeah. Using firepower, adrenaline, barricade for artillerist. Adrenaline barricade artillery for artilleries. Is that no grudge? Then not enough for Bolton. At least I wouldn't take it personally. Debasi. Okay, magic release. Precise dagger. Sup, Pita? How many time do we have left? Yeah, Dream is almost dead as well. Actually, mistakes can basically like oh, Dream just drank potion. Probably not. Never mind. Yeah, it's alright. Don't worry about it. Still learning. It's alright. Maybe grab but only level 3 is still level 2 or 1 isn't worth. Of course, you should get 3 to begin with. It's not hard to get level 3, man. It's not hard. Debasi. The pizza? Nah, it's alright. Sorry, don't worry about it. Oh, Sun is safe. Okay. Softimo, thank you for following. Welcome, dude. Yeah, everyone's learning anyway. It's alright. Everyone is learning. Sun is safe, so you start from this left, right. Omega nerf. Oh, Dream went the wrong way. Fine, you get it. Good for now, 3 engraved level 3. You're good for now up until Argos phase 3, yeah. Got it. And there you have it. Yeah, we get it, yeah. The bleed can still clear it, yeah. 1 HP and a Dream. Well, that's Dream right there. So yeah, and that's Argos phase 1.